morning. Morning after the and was setting up on another of the planned activities for this weekend for the birthday weekend. Yeah, that's a good thought. But the see, we're in Porto Calero. This is where we're going to take the catamaran for the Porto party and cruise. Yes! Yes, I am.
What's up, bro? What's up, bro?
All the guests are arriving to board the boat.
Now, we do not wear footwear on board. We have a special non-slip deck. So once you reach the steps, remove your footwear and take it with you. Now, we're seated for the first few minutes just inside for a very short safety briefing. Once you have a safety briefing, you can get out and start having some fun. And if you want, you can start making your way down now because I'll keep you out the rain. Okay? Yeah. What are you doing?
Last Saturday.
I don't like cold. I know today, but I really do not like the cold. So.
Here we are, Porto Calero. And we're about to board the catamaran. So a 3-hour cruise and book.
Go on, you can go take away.
Should be fun. This is the famous Lanzarote submarine. If you're ever in Lanzarote, make sure you go on a submarine safari.
It's been done when it was you. It's been just happiness. Everybody like talking. I'm seeing nobody talking.
I don't take for the game, she no pitas. I decide bad mind from a distance. No this sweet happy then no pitas. When I come make I keep it to this. But it like that somebody did it like this. So much I saw me come back like this. For everybody hating on me like this. Kilo me. I don't kilometers. I don't want how many kilometers. Take a picture and you just go.
It's actually a privilege to still one interview. And I think I have a lot to say about the state episode of this. Actually, thanks for being so supportive in every way. You know, you're just that friend that no matter what it is that you're having, just make yourself to a daily person. And I want to say thank you and appreciate you so much
We
For
appreciate
being
you
a
so much.
sister to me and a sister to my sister.
Where are we?
We're in Papagayo, which is to the south of Lanzarote. You have Playa Blanca, the town just over there, and Fuerteventura just to the south. This is maybe 80 miles from the coast of West Africa, Sahara, and Morocco.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Well,
Cheers.
Yeah, no, you ain't no psycho. You're not like the others, no. No changing behaviors. No trouble around you. Colorful and bright, yeah. I wanna be enough.
Yeah, this is a video.
You make me come alive, babe. I wanna be the time of your life. Come change my life just for a while. Let's go for a ride now. Outside the club, we come alive. Let's go for a ride, yeah. I wanna get to know you. I don't wanna leave so soon. You and me forever, or maybe just for tonight. Do you wanna get to know me? I will give it all to you. You and me forever. Don't care about nothing else. Making it happen, yeah. Cause you're a winner. I'm not gonna fall down. This ain't my final round. Hey, drinking Annie in the corner. I don't wanna be alone.
I know what's on your mind. Just a chronic time. What you like. Check me out. Check me out. Check me out. Let me see you go back.
Rookie at 40. It's raining. Back at port. And it's been pelting down. Good day though. Back in port. And as you can hear, the port is still in the full swing. It's wet, raining. We got caught in a rain shower or something. But they only affected the last half an hour or so. Brilliant day, Just check out that sunset. Check out that beach. This is life, eh? What a glorious sunset. I am back. Back in Playa Blanca, back at the hotel. after an absolutely mega day celebrating Buki's birthday with a boat party. It was incredible. It was fantastic, and it's one of those days you will remember for a very long time. Uh, Not just because of why we are here, to celebrate a good friend's birthday, but Lanzarote is a really beautiful place. The volcanic landscape is something like I'm sure what Mars must look like. The volcanic beauty of the place, the weather, the ambience, all what we got to do just made it an incredible experience. Is it time to reflect on an incredible weekend in Lanzarote celebrating Buki's birthday? I guess so. We have one more event, which is a group photo shoot, group photo session, a group photo, which should be happening now. But our people always late. So we're going to do the photo shoot. Check out at 12. They didn't give us a late checkout. Hang around till it's time to head to the airport and back to good old Blighty. That's England.
It's been an amazing weekend celebrating Buki Kadri. Our friends and family landed Lanzarote a few days ago. It all started with the games night, didn't it? It was said by yours truly.
And
Lawunze, I mustn't forget. Yes, it was fun. People came out, people turned up.
in their black and white.
In their black and white outfit, monochrome. Right after that, we went to the
dance party.
Outside, outdoors, amazing. It was at the Sugar Reef. It was beyond amazing. Wasn't it, darling?
It was hosted by Dayo and Fumi Oshilaja, and they did an amazing party. It was really lovely. Bookstar came out in red, looking stunning as always. And it didn't end there. We went to the boat cruise yesterday, all in our orange and white, and the men were in white and blue. It was phenomenal. Lord Kinzo captured amazing shots of the day.
Say what about Lord Kinzo? Not only did he do the video, he did a drone video of the whole yacht. What was it? Catamaran, I should be more precise. It went all into the air, came down, videoed everyone. Amazing. He's the one also filming us right now, isn't he?
Yes, and right today we're in our Casablanca. We're told to come. Lest I forget, this event was planned by the amazing Fumilayo of London. So contact her for a fantastic event like this and any future events you'd like to have. Thank you, Fumilayo. Thank you, Bookstar. Thank you, Lord Kinzo. And thank you all the friends and family of Bookstar at Porty.
Buki, you've done an amazing job. Was it the boat party, the orange and white? Was it the blinging party? Was it this nice, Casablanca we're wearing? Well done, Buki. Happy 40th. Only you can bring this many people to Lanzarote. Only you can just make it loud. You're extra, we're extra. We love it that way. Happy birthday, Buki. Love you loads.
So, my darling Buki, you have brought us to Lanzarote. You have shut it down for your 40th, and we've had a blast. And I hope you had a wonderful time as well. Happy 40th again. Many more years to come. But I hope you had a good time because we sure did. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Buki.
know, I mean, I know we've flown here from the UK, but what I mean is they've actually flown from their different location. My family, they've come from Canada. My sister, my cousin, my sister is in a standing ovation. But they don't mind to stand up for family occasion. Says she. My makeup artist, I'm looking glam every single day. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Forget the sponsor. Mr. Money. You know, this man is simply amazing, and I know all of you know this. He is the cash machine. He has spent the entire knowledge. And I say that, you know, with all respect to him, you know, he's a man. I don't think that man, he's a man. That man is shit. That man. And so he's a real man. That's one that's paid. Oh, what about this? He's paid. He's done this, he's done that. He's not easy. You know.
Super nice.
Thanks to everyone. Really appreciate you guys. You guys are actually like into the right thing. Thank you. I appreciate you guys.